What is online arbitrage? Hey everybody, it's Norm Farrar from Private Label Legion. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about online arbitrage. But before we do that, check out privatelabellegion.com. And for more great information, free information, check out our Facebook group. And don't forget to give us a like. What is the difference between retail arbitrage and online arbitrage? They're both very similar, and at the end of the day, they get the same result. So it's just which one that you prefer. So retail is getting into your car, finding a retailer that has great deals, and buying up those lots. However, if they don't have anything, you get in your car and you go to the next one, you go to the next one, you go to the next one. Online arbitrage, I wake up at 3 a.m., I come to my computer, I surf 100 websites, I see a couple of deals that I want to buy, and bing, bang, that's it. I don't have to spend any money on gas. I would much rather prefer the online arbitrage over the retail, but that is 100% up to you. I would much rather spend my time bargain shopping 24/7 than, having to be dictated when a store is open. The other part to this is that at the end of the day, you're not committed, and this is for retail as well, by the way, you're not committed to any amount of product, okay? You're only bound by how much you can buy. And as you'll hear in a second, I would not be buying a lot of product, especially at the beginning. You want to make sure that you're testing the waters. All right, so remember, especially in the beginning, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, and that is buying up that big lot. You hear about it, you might see that, there's a get-rich scheme, on the internet. You might have seen this YouTube, video. It's not the case. Learn and understand the platform, understand your business before you move forward. Buy small lots. Do 4 or 10 units, put it onto Amazon and get to understand the system and how it works. Then you can start experimenting and buying more and putting more product on. But I would never abandon the testing process. Testing first and then go and get the bigger lots. If you do not do this, and if you just jump in to online or retail arbitrage, be prepared to pay your Amazon tax. What do I mean by that? There are all sorts of things that come up on Amazon and fees that come up on Amazon that you might not be prepared for. That's why I always tell people, I always recommend, make sure that you understand it. Take a course, spend some money to understand Amazon or whatever platform that you're on. If you don't do that, at the end of the day, you'll be wasting money, you'll be giving it back, and you will definitely pay that tax. There's a couple of other things that you should keep in mind as well. So first of all, I don't care if it's a spreadsheet, but track your numbers. Make sure that you track the dollars in and out and make sure that you're profitable. It's great to sell a ton of product, but if you're not in the black and you're in the red, why do it? Also, it's really important that you have quality products. Garbage in is garbage out. One other thing that's really important is that, and I think that there are a couple of free Chrome extensions out there, but Helium 10 and Keepa allow you to install into Chrome an extension that checks your price. You can see the price, the different dates on different price changes, the BSR, and the BSR is your buyer-seller rank, and that just tells you how the product is doing overall with the overall niche. Also, make sure that you're priced properly. If you're too high or if you're too low, it might be a problem. If it's too low, you might not make anything. You might sell very quickly. If you're too high, you might not get any sales. The other thing I want to tell you is be resilient. There might be a time that you go in and you think you have a fantastic deal. You put it onto Amazon, you're ready to wake up and everything's gone, only to find that a bigger seller, but out a much bigger lot, put it and priced it on Amazon to move, and all of a sudden you have your first kick. And you're going to get a few kicks, but just be resilient. Have a game plan what you're going to do with this product if it doesn't work. Learn and do not get emotionally attached to your product. Cut bait quickly. So at the end of the day, all I want you to do is make sure you do proper research and know your numbers, or you're going to end up paying your Amazon tax. All right, so to get more great information, head over to privatelabellegion.com or over to our Facebook group. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like.